OvrC, Control4 Dealer Change. In this video, we'll show you how to change a customer's Control4 dealer. This procedure should only be carried out at the customer's request. Once it's done, you'll be able to manage the customer's OvrC account, access the installation remotely in the event of problems, and assign 4 sites to the customer. Here are the steps we will follow. 1. Change Smart Home Pro. 2. Takeover in OvrC. 1. Changing Smart Home Pro. This operation must be carried out by the customer in person after being informed by the integrator that he will become its customer for all Control4 questions. Go to https://customer.control4.com. Use the same identifiers as for the Control4 application on a smartphone or tablet. In the top menu, click on My Account. Then select Smart Home Pro. Click on Change My Pro. Here the customer will need to explain why he wants to change. In this case, we will choose Inconvenient Location. Changing a dealer is permanent, so there will be a warning informing about this. Check the I understand box and click Continue. The customer will receive an email to explain what to do next. The dealer will receive an email to explain him that a customer is changing his dealer. Everything is empty in OvrC for him. In OvrC, the dealer can check and delete his customer's site. Two. Takeover in OvrC. Once the customer has called you, you need to go to the customer's premises to carry out the takeover. Beforehand, you can create a customer account for this new customer. Once at the customer's premises, install the OvrC Pro Hub. You can use the OvrC Pro Hub to retrieve all the devices in your customer's installation from OvrC. You can buy this product on our shop. This device can be used for several customers. All you have to do is remove it from your customer's OvrC account when the takeover is complete. This is a tool that we advise our integrators to always have to hand. Add a device. You will need to add it manually by typing in its MAC address, then its service tag. This is the serial number. You can find this information directly on the OvrC Pro Hub or on its packaging. Once done, click on the OvrC Pro Hub, then click on Pro Tools tab. At the bottom of this page, click ONT Takeover button. Confirm and type Takeover, then submit. The takeover can take up to 20 minutes. Confirm the location. You can check that all the devices are imported in your customer's site. You can also check that the controller is registered in Categories tab. You can check on the my.control4.com website that the customer is indeed under your account. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.
Wow.